so graceful. What a beautiful girl.
Why, thank you. I am pretty light on my feet and I love dancing. I've always dreamed of being a professional dancer. I think I'm having a hot flash or something. What did you say?
You know, when Samantha rides you, it is like you're dancing.
Oh, you're right. I didn't think of that. Oh, we move as one, and I must say we have great rhythm together.
Who can help our riders dance?
Well, a horse, of course. Don't forget to support Equest September 17th on the North Texas Giving Day. I'll see you later, hon. I'm going back to dreaming.
Hit it, boys!